Now we get to put a ZUGO alarm on. Instructions. We've got the horn itself, modes, mounting kit, USB-C cord, little tool. You'll also need your Phillips from your toolkit, or if you got a nice Phillips screwdriver, that'd be awesome. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the kit that comes with it. Pull out that. This, 2 smaller screws. We don't need any of this rubber stuff. Take 2 small ones. One, put it through there. We are going to put this right around the headset of the bike. Okay? Clamp it on. Boom. Okay? Put the one Phillips screw together. Kind of hand tight. Couple threads in there. Okay? Then you put the other one on. You can spin this around while it's on here. Doesn't matter. And put the other one in. Okay? You can snug these up a little bit. Try to do it equal on each side. Okay, so there's about that much of a gap. This one in. I'll show you how much of a gap there is. Okay, so look how much of a gap there is on that side. So I'll put this one in a little more. Now it's starting to get snug. So now we put it so this faces forward. Okay, then we can tighten these down. Don't have to be monster tight, just so it doesn't move around. If you do it monster tight, you're gonna crack it. Okay, so with this, we want to take this nut off. Pull the nut off. There's a washer here, and then there's a washer also here. Okay, take the alarm itself, put it through the other side, let it hang down. Then you're gonna put a washer on, and then the nut on. Trying to get it so you can see the camera. So see the nut is on there? Hold it with the screwdriver, and then tighten the nut with the snug as a bug. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, we call it telephone cord. We're gonna pull off more of this telephone cord wire. So there should be 2 long ones here, a short one here. It looks clean, put it together. Now we take the wire and put the phone cord back. Put it back nice and it'll always look nice. One of these goes below the junction and one goes above the junction. So we start it out just like this. And this one, I'm gonna wait until we put this thing on here. So we'd like to see you move the bell away before you mount this, okay? We're gonna loosen the bell. Pull the bell down like that, loosen that Phillips screw, so we can move the bell out of the way. We want to take this, we're going to feed this, believe it or not, this rubber piece feeds underneath the shifter. Pull it out. Put that right there. Okay, so it's nice and out of the way. And we put the bell back down here, so you still get to the bell and the horn, and it all looks pretty good right there. And you can take it and put it like that. The last piece of phone cord. So you will need to charge your alarm. So you want to pull the siren up, unplug it. I'm going to stick our USB-C cord in there, and then you can plug it into any USB in the wall, and the red light should come on. Unplug it, put the rubber boot back, and put it back down into position. Every once in a while this will loosen up from going up and down to charge it. You just loosen these up. The reason we make this thing charge separately is if the battery's out of the bike, you still have an alarm on your bike. It's a little bit of a pain to have to charge it, but you know what? It's better than having your bike stolen. So here we have our key fob. We want to take the key fob out, and we want to take a little holder out. You can do one of 2 things. You could put the key for the bike right on here if you want to with your own keychain. Or you put the key fob or keychain on. And put your key on it like that if you want to. Okay, that's how kind of I have it. Then you want to slide this open, and you've got 4 buttons on there. The only 2 I really ever pay attention to is the lock and unlock, just like your car. Arm, disarm. Okay, so when I hit arm, the LED lights up, tells me it's armed. If I hit the bike, I push number 2 to disarm it. Okay? But it'll still stay armed. All I did is shut the siren off. If I want to disarm it, I hit it again. Now it's disarmed. Arm and disarm. Right now it's armed. Let's disarm it. Then you got this one as like a locator. Say you've got 10,000 ZUGOs in a parking lot and you don't know which one's yours. That's all it does is chirp the siren. So if somebody's standing near your bike, you don't like them, you can go away.